Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Harvest Finance. Earlier when I shared my last video with you at that time, Harvest Finance just broke out the resistance of a down channel, and after breaking it out, it was testing the previous resistance of the channel as a support, and at the same time it also formed another falling wedge above that resistance. Right now, if we take a look at this live daily time frame chart, it is moving almost at the same position and getting accumulated above this resistance of the channel very well. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to have a further move to the upside, or we are going to have a reversal inside this channel. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame. And here we can see that the price line entered in this channel here on 11th of August 2021, and we had several touch points at the resistance, and also we have few touch points as a support as well. We tested the support here, here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touch points here as well. And after testing the support here on 17th of December, we had a nice rally, broke out the resistance, had some correction, moved up again, and again moved down and moved up again. And here we have found during this move another resistance, and this is the resistance of another falling wedge pattern that I was showing you in my last video with you. This was the resistance, and here we have the support of this falling wedge. You can see that it is getting more and more squeezed, and soon price line can break out or break down the support or resistance of this falling wedge. In this time, the support is very strong because we have the support of this falling wedge on this daily time frame, and we also have the support of this down channel as well that was previously working as a resistance and a very long term and key resistance. Now it can work as a very strong support, and this is the reason we can see that during this even devastating situation, the price line did not break down this previous resistance of the channel as a support and recovered back and moved back inside this wedge again. Now, for example, if the price line breaks out this resistance of the wedge, then it can move here, approximately here at the tail of this wedge. And here we also have above this tail of the wedge, this key resistance, another key resistance of $285. And the price line can make a very powerful attempt to break it out. After breaking out this resistance of the wedge, you can see that this resistance of $285 has been working as a very strong resistance here and here and here as well. We have several rejections. Therefore, once the price line will be able to break it out, we can expect a very massive rally after that. However, right now we are again testing the support. The bad thing is that we have broken down this EMA 21. When I shared my last video, at that time we were testing this previous resistance of EMA 21 as a support, but right now we are again down, and now it can work as a very strong resistance for the price line with the resistance of this wedge as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.